Let me introduce you to Alex, a regular person with a regular job just like so many of us, trying to save a little each month and hoping for a brighter financial future. Every payday, Alex felt a wave of relief as the paycheck landed. But after paying rent, covering bills and buying groceries, that feeling quickly faded, replaced by the familiar stress of making ends meet. No matter how carefully Alex budgeted or how many corners were cut, the bank balance never seemed to grow. It was as if the money disappeared as soon as it arrived. Deep down, Alex dreamed of a life where money wasn't a constant worry, a life with true freedom, security, and the ability to enjoy simple pleasures without guilt or anxiety. Scrolling through social media, Alex saw ordinary people living extraordinary lives, not just celebrities but regular folks who seemed to have cracked some hidden code to financial success. What was their secret? It wasn't just about earning more money. After all, plenty of high earners still felt broke, trapped in the same cycle. The real difference was that millionaires and financially free people made their money work for them, instead of working endlessly for money. Saving felt safe. But Alex realized that letting money just sit in a bank account meant it was slowly losing value to inflation, year after year. The true secret? Investing. Putting money to work so it grows on its own, even while you sleep. That's how wealth is built over time. That night, Alex made a decision to stop watching from the sidelines and start learning the rules of wealth. It was time to take control and build a new future. No get-rich-quick schemes, just a real plan, starting small, being consistent and building habits that would last a lifetime. Alex committed to building financial freedom, $1 at a time, knowing that every small step forward mattered. This is how Alex and you can start thinking and acting like a millionaire in 2025. It's not about luck or shortcuts, but about making smart choices every day. It all starts with a shift in mindset, a willingness to learn, adapt, and believe that change is possible. The journey isn't about luck, it's about learning, taking action, and staying committed, even when progress feels slow. If Alex can do it, so can you. The path to a bigger bank account starts now. Let's see how. Why don't millionaires just save? Because money sitting in a bank loses value to inflation. Prices rise every year. Your savings buy less and less. Millionaires see idle cash as a melting ice cube. Saving is for emergencies, not for building wealth. For long-term goals, saving alone is a losing game. Wealthy people use savings as a launch pad, not a parking lot. The real move is investing, putting money into things that grow and generate income. Think of investing as planting a money tree. It starts small, but with time it grows and bears fruit. The goal isn't just to have money, but to own assets, things that put money in your pocket. Assets include stocks, real estate, or businesses. Liabilities take money out. Millionaires focus on collecting assets, not just cash. They use earned income to buy assets, which then generate more income. This creates a snowball effect. Wealth grows faster and faster over time. Saving is step one, investing is where the magic happens. Don't let your money sleep, put it to work. That's the millionaire mindset. Let's build your plan. Ready to make your money work for you in 2025? The first step is to create a plan that fits your life and your goals. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to build a better future. Start by tracking every penny you spend for a month. Don't guess, get the real numbers. This simple habit reveals where your money actually goes, and it's often eye-opening. Remember, this isn't about guilt or blame. It's about gaining clarity and control over your finances. Knowledge is power, and you're taking the first step. Once you know where your money goes, create a budget. A spending plan that covers your needs, builds an emergency fund, and frees up cash for investing. Make sure your budget is realistic and flexible so you can stick with it even when life gets busy. Look for ways to cut back, cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home more often, and challenge yourself to find an extra $50 or $100 a month. Small changes add up over time. Next, focus on building your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, and keep it in a high-yield savings account so your money grows while staying safe. This safety net protects you from life's surprises, like job loss or unexpected bills, and keeps you from selling investments in a panic when things get tough. With your safety net in place, it's time to set your investing goals. Be specific. Think about what you want to achieve and by when. Are you investing for retirement, a house, your children's education, or something else? Your timeline and your dreams will shape your investment strategy. Long-term goals can handle more risk and volatility, while short-term goals need safer, more stable investments. Match your investments to your needs. Write your goals down, put them somewhere you'll see them often. This makes your intentions real and keeps you motivated. Your plan is your personal roadmap to building wealth. It keeps you focused and helps you make better decisions, even when the market gets rocky. Start small, but start now. Even tiny investments grow over time. Consistency beats perfection. What matters most is building the habit. Every dollar you invest is a step closer to financial freedom. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for everything to line up just right. The journey starts with a single step. The best time to start investing is today. Take action, even if it's just a small amount. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make now. Imagine the possibilities. Now let's explore where you can invest and how to get started on your journey to financial growth. Most self-made millionaires build wealth using 3 pillars: the stock market, real estate, and their own businesses. No secret tricks, just proven strategies. The stock market is the most accessible. Buy shares in big companies and let your money grow as the economy grows. Real estate builds wealth through appreciation, rental income, and equity. It's a tangible asset with multiple ways to profit. The third pillar is owning a business, often the fastest path to wealth. When you own a business, you control the growth and the profits. Many of the world's richest people built their fortunes this way. You don't need to do all 3 at once. Start with one. Focus, learn, and build. These pillars are the foundation of lasting wealth. Let's dive deeper into each. The stock market can seem intimidating, but you don't need to be a stock-picking genius. Most millionaires invest in index funds, simple low-cost funds that track the whole market. An S&P 500 index fund lets you own a piece of 500 top companies at once. This gives you instant diversification and reduces risk. Index funds are cheap. Low fees mean more money stays invested and grows. Even Warren Buffett recommends them for most people. Getting started is easy. Open a brokerage account online, sometimes with as little as $1. Set up automatic monthly transfers. This is called dollar cost averaging. You'll buy at highs and lows, but over time it averages out and builds wealth. Don't try to time the market, just be consistent. The boring approach wins in the long run. Let your money grow quietly in the background. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. Stocks are just one pillar. Let's talk real estate. Here's how to get started with property. Real estate is a classic wealth builder because you can control and improve your investment. The most common way to start is buying a home or small building and renting it out. The goal: positive cash flow, money left after all expenses. Your tenants pay the mortgage, build your equity, and provide passive income. If buying property is out of reach, try house hacking. Live in one part, rent out the rest. Or invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts you can buy like stocks. REITs let you earn rental income and property appreciation without being a landlord. Real estate diversifies your portfolio and adds stability. Start small, learn as you go. Property can be a powerful engine for wealth. Combine it with stocks for even more growth. Now let's talk about the ultimate investment: yourself. The highest return investment: starting your own business. You control the direction, growth, and profits. You don't need to quit your job. Start with a side hustle. Use your skills to solve real problems people will pay for. The internet makes starting cheap and easy. As your side hustle grows, you can scale it up or keep it part-time. The goal: build a business that can run without you, turning your effort into a passive asset. This is how many millionaires are made. Invest in yourself, learn, experiment, and take smart risks. Your business can become your most valuable asset. Now avoid the mistakes that hold most people back. The biggest mistake: waiting too long to start. You don't need to be an expert or have lots of money. Compound interest needs time. Trying to time the market is another trap. Nobody can predict it. Invest consistently, no matter what the headlines say. Don't put all your money in one place. Diversify with index funds, real estate, and maybe some bonds. Diversification protects you from big losses. Watch out for high fees. They can eat up a third of your returns over time. Millionaires obsess over keeping costs low. Choose low-cost funds and avoid expensive advisors. Don't gamble, invest for the long term. Start small, but start now. Avoid these traps and you're already ahead. The path is simple, but you have to walk it. Let's finish strong. We started with Alex, feeling stuck, unsure of what the future held. Now, you've learned the millionaire mindset and the practical strategies that can change your life. Remember, every success story begins with a single decision to try. It's not about luck or hidden secrets. It's about simple, consistent actions repeated over time. Anyone can do this, no matter where you're starting from. You don't need a huge income or a fancy degree. You need a plan and the discipline to start. Track your spending, build your emergency fund, and invest regularly. Even small amounts add up. The tools are more accessible than ever in 2025. With just your phone or laptop, you can manage your money, invest, and grow your wealth from anywhere. Don't let the size of the goal scare you. Wealth is built one step at a time. Every small action you take today brings you closer to your dreams. Your first step could be as simple as tracking your spending for a week, just to see where your money goes. Or maybe it's opening a savings account and setting aside your first $10 or $20. Next, open a brokerage account. It's easier than ever, and start learning about investments that fit your goals. Then, set up your first automatic investment, even if it's just a small amount each month. Consistency is what matters most. Celebrate those small wins. They build momentum and boost your confidence to keep going. The time for action is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it rarely comes. Every day you wait is a day you lose the power of compounding. Time is your greatest ally. Use it. Your future self is counting on you to make these choices today, not tomorrow. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take it today and keep moving forward. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the power to change your financial future. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Build the life you dream of. $1, one decision at a time. The path is clear. Start now, and your future self will thank you.